Let's find out. 13 words starting with the letter U. This is how the alphabet U looks like in the uppercase. And now let's have a quick look at the word list for the day. U for unicorn, unicorn. U for urchin, urchin. U for umpire, umpire. U for uniform, uniform. U for umbrella, umbrella. U for undergarments, undergarments. U for utensils, utensils. U for urn, urn. U for USB cable, USB cable. U for unicycle, unicycle. U for Uranus, Uranus. U for UFO, UFO. And lastly, U for up, up. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different words which start with the letter U. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.